Are you sick and tired of watching your hard-earned money just sit there in your savings account? What if I told you something like that exists? A way to make your money work even harder for you, while creating the future you can only dream of. As we stick around, today, we take a deep dive into powerful investment strategies that will grow your wealth and also power you to act. Roll, I beat inro. Images of money growing, investments. Welcome back to Financial Zone. Today, we're discussing good investment strategy that's practical, but also something that'll have you ready to get started yesterday. Ready? Let's jump in. Investing is a game changer. Here is why. Below is a visualization of savings vs investment growth over time. First things first, let's talk about why you have to invest right. You have $10,000 in a savings account earning next to no interest. In 10 years, it will be worth a little more, but inflation will have eaten away at its actual value. The stock market, mutual funds, real estate. For that $10,000, as an investor, it can double into $20,000, $30,000, or $100,000. That's the compounding magic. Key point: investing extends beyond financial gain. It's about building opportunities, securing your future, and having the freedom to live life on your terms. Start small, dream big. Coin to gold bars. Piggy bank savings visual. A person dropping coins into a piggy bank, turning into gold bars. The number one myth is that you have to have a lot of money to start investing. The truth? You can start with just $50 or $100. For example, apps and platforms such as insert examples. For example, Robinhood, Acorns are helping newcomers enter the world of investing without overwhelming them. Action step. The first step is putting away a small percentage of your monthly income. It could grow into something phenomenal over time, even 10. Understand your options illustration. Stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds icons.